Hello friends, today I will tell you how to speed up your WordPress site. First of all, let's how to analyze your website. Go to Google Developers and Page Insights and there is an option enter a web URL. Now go to your website and copy your URL of website and paste that URL in Google Analyze. Now after analyzing, Google will display results of analyzing. Now see, the speed of your site is 40 out of 100 and a lot of errors are there, and on desktop it is 58 out of 100. There are suggestions to speed up your website. On top of that, enable compression. What is compression? Now we will use that method to speed up our WordPress site. Now I will tell you first the reason behind compression. First of all, see, browser request to server for specific web page, then web page search that file, then read that file and send it to the browser. Now see, here 100 KB of files is transferred to the browser. Now in second picture you see that browser request for file, web servers finds that file and compress that file into zip file. Now size of that file is reduced to 10 KB and browser then decompress that file and display that page into your screen. Now what happened here? The thing is that now only 10 KB is transferred from web server to your browser. Now mean your website will work faster and the response time of your website will increase. Now the main thing is that how to do that. First of all, go to your cPanel of your web hosting. Different web hosting provider provide different kind of web hosts, but all are similar. I am using GoDaddy, so I will tell you about this. Go to your file manager and be sure to tick show hidden files, because the HTSS file is required to do this, which is a hidden file. Now go to your public HTML folder where .htss file is located. Now find your HTSS file in these files. Here I have found that file and click on edit. The cPanel will show you a message. They will tell you to backup your original file before editing it. You can backup or direct edit it, so I will edit it. Now you will see that HTSS files look like this. Now copy all this code to your HTSS file. This code is provided in our website, so you can download this code. Now paste that code into your HTSS file. Now save changes. Now your settings are successfully changed. Now close that and refresh your website. Now copy the link of your website and paste that link to Google Insights. Now you see that on mobile it is showing 66%. Now it is much improved. On desktop it is showing 78. Now it is much more speedier than before. There are a lot of things to fix, but we have fixed only compression method. Now your web pages will work on slow network, so you don't need to have worry about the speed or bandwidth. The drawback of this method is that this method will not work on old browser like browser of Windows 95 and other, but nowadays most recent and and latest browser have this technology, so you don't have to worry about this. Thanks for watching this, guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more latest videos.